This is your feeder and stock report for Wednesday, October 29th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In central and northern Alberta on Tuesday, steers 900 plus 441 to 460. 8 to 900, 490 to 508, 7 to 800, 501 to 536, 6 to 700, 574 to 592, 5 to 600, 605 to 650, 4 to 500, 685 to 825, 3 to 400, 855 to 954. Heifers 900 plus 419 to 440, 8 to 900, 445 to 450, 7 to 800, 470 to 493, 6 to 700, 496 to 525, 5 to 600, 534 to $6, 4 to 500, 609 to 675, 3 to 400, 680 to 735. On a light test of the market yesterday in central Alberta, cow-calf pairs traded from $5,250 per pair to $5,475 per pair. Alberta direct cattle sales Tuesday saw no new trade report, but there's a good chance scattered trade will develop by this afternoon. Sellers are making inquiries, and there have been rumblings lower money is being offered. As of yesterday, one packer was not bidding on cows, and we're not bidding on the fed cattle market either. Cow slaughter volumes have been running below year-ago levels, and to make up for reduced production, Canadian beef imports have been strong. Over the past few months, beef imports from Australia have been the largest since early 2015. In the cow trade in central Alberta Tuesday, D1 and 2 cows 213 to 228, D3 cows 195 to 207. Bulls in central Alberta yesterday brought 227 to 242. In the U.S., light trade was reported in Iowa and Nebraska yesterday, with dress sales ranging from $356 to $360, steady with prices seen on Monday, and $9 to $12 lower than last week. Live sales in the north range from $228 to $230, $7 to $10 softer. Business in the southern feeding states has been quiet with no bids to speak of. Following a tough couple days on the futures market, both live and feeder cattle futures contracts are rebounding today and are not too far off trading limit up. Amongst all the volatility, wholesale beef prices have held steady. With lower cattle prices, packer margins have improved. National Bonnet cows averaged 302.61 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.06, up 16 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. October 231.42, up 392. December 231.20, up 462. February 229.02, up 492. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.